See the image Peter McNinnon stylizing and import photo stylish core feature okay, this is a fine shot, good blending lines, and the guy in the picture, yours truly, is tag sharp, but the image is missing style. Time to add that right now with essential light, color, and effects. Moves to really jing it up. Okay, now we start tutorial. Loading image. Chapter 1 of 4. The image just needs slight rotation to straighten it right up and to center the figure. Okay, continue. Open the crop panel. Crop panel open. Rotate the image. Okay, rotate the image. Okay, rotate the image. Another rotate the image. Use the crop tool to get me right into the center of the frame. Okay, okay. Chapter 2 completed of 4. The overall camera exposure is fine, but there is something missing. The sky, let's start by adjusting the overall exposure and then really bring the clouds and the mountain back with highlights slider. Okay, continue. Finalize your crop by tapping the check mark. Okay, check mark. Open the light panel open. Darken the overall photo a little. Okay, completed. Darken the overall photo little. Okay. Oh, look at that. Bringing down the highlights usually reveals what was there to begin with, including the sky and mountain. Okay, mountain, the sky and mountain. Increase image contrast to give the image cuts. Okay, contrast. Open the curves tool. Okay, open. Use tunes curve to me that the image contrast. I will come back and tweak the curve more than once to get the image right. Okay, okay. Tap done to close the curve panel. Okay, done. Shadows, lighten the dark tones to see into the address. Okay, chapter 3 completed of 4. I use color mix all the time to really dig into the color vibe of my images. Color mix lets me adjust the hue, color, saturation, resonance, and luminance, brightness both preciously and intuitively. Okay, continue. Open the color panel. Okay, open the color mix panel. Select the reds. I am not liking the color of the hoodies sweatshirt. Let's make it more of a warm tone. Okay, make the red tones richer. Oh yes. Okay, select the magnetas. Okay, keep working on the red hoodie with the magnetina controls. Okay, make the magnetina tones richer. Okay, completed. Brighten the magnetina tones. Okay, select the yellows. Those painted lines in the road need to be more orange. Make the yellow tones less colorful. As I said, I do this all by feel. Darken the yellow tones to make the line stronger. Select the grains. Make the green tones more cyan to help the paint trace. Make the green tones less colorful. Brighten the green tones. Select the blues. Make the blue tones less colorful to neutralize the road. Effects, as I said, the image was lacking style, and with the crop, light and color improvements, it has come a long way, but there is room for more improvements and style. Let's rock it with effects and finish it up. Okay, continue. Tap to done to close the color mix panel. Okay, done. Open the effects panel. Okay, I love how clearly adds snap, shape and contrast. Okay, darken the edges of the photo to keep the figure the center of attention. Okay, add a grain to the photo to test. Control the size of the grain and step back. I love it. Boom. That looks great. Try this on photos. Congratulations, that looks pretty great. What did you think of the tutorial? Thanks for the feedback. Keeping going to leave feedback. Editing drama to landscape. Editing impact with effects. Another images. Light painting, a night shot. Intermediate. Randy Van Dunian. Completely finished the image editing. And to completely okay the image editing. Okay, done. Email balance, Megan Allen.